course actually is for my career advancement, and together I wish that I can bring the whole digital marketing department in my company to a whole new level.
Actually, to get this certification is required in my team. Back in my office, I'm in digital marketing team. So one of the requirement for us is to get the certification in digital marketing professional.
In my career currently, I feel like it will help me a lot. Again, a lot of people are moving to buying online. I feel that by having this knowledge of digital marketing, by attending this course, it will help me a lot in a way that I will know how to compete with the current market.
Digital marketing is high in demand in the market currently. So basically, it really helps me to build up my career and expanding my portfolio.
Actually, in my opinion, actually I'll join this course because this certification actually covers everything all about digital marketing, and so I believe all the skills and knowledge I learned in this course, and after I gain this certificate, actually I'll know everything just about digital marketing.
In this course, we got to know in depth what is digital marketing and how digital marketing works. All this while, we are giving all these tasks to manage our digital marketing to our agency. So with this certification, we got to know in depth how digital marketing works, and we can ask more questions to agency and to check if they are doing things right.
In my opinion, digital marketing is crucial to a company nowadays because we cannot just rely on traditional marketing alone. Because with the help of the digital marketing, we can reach every customers.
There are so many things that I've learned. One of it is the importance to combine traditional and digital marketing to get a full 360 view to make the business success.
Well, I've learned how to better optimize my website and how to reach the right audience and how to track them in the right way and to my site, and instead of just spending experimenting and spending extra money on marketing it online, I know how to narrow that down.
Throughout this 3-day course, I learned a lot of things. Actually, just everything about digital marketing, from email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, SEO, to video marketing. Thank you so much, Excel Academy, for bringing in and introducing such complete and comprehensive course for us as the digital marketers. So get yourself certified today.